Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a vegan crunch wrap. So all the ingredients you're going to need to make it is some Impossible meat. You can use any plant-based meat that you like. My favorite is the Impossible meat, and the Impossible burgers are really good too. You guys should check them out. Impossible meat is way better than Beyond Meat. If you guys are just getting into vegan stuff, I would recommend Impossible. Then any kind of bean. I prefer pinto beans. Some vegan sour cream. I usually get a different brand than this, but they were out. Not mad about it. Never mad when they're out of vegan stuff at the store because it just makes me happy that people are buying it. But this is a good vegan alternative sour cream. Almost said cream cheese. Then shredded lettuce, pretty basic, any shredded lettuce. Some taco seasoning, some tostadas. Make sure they're not broken when you get them because they need to be full. Any type of hot sauce you guys want. I like this Cholula. So we're gonna start off with making the Impossible meat, and then we're gonna add in the taco seasoning. You can add, like I said, any seasoning you would like. I also like to add some hot sauce to the meat. You're gonna just rinse the beans off, heat them up in a pan, pretty simple. So now we're gonna grab a flour tortilla, put it on a plate, and grab a tostada. Put the tostada in the middle of the tortilla, and we're just gonna cut out the shape of the tostada. And then just take the tostada and the little circle tortilla, set it to the side, grab another tortilla. Then we're gonna grab the beans and put some beans in a circle in the middle of the flour tortilla. And then grab the Impossible meat, place it on top of the beans. Then we're gonna get the tostada again, put some sour cream on it. And then grab the shredded lettuce, put the lettuce over the tostada, then take the cut out tortilla, place it on top of the tostada, and then we're just gonna wrap it up, and there you got your little perfect crunch wrap. Now just put some oil on a pan and get the pan a little hot before you put the tostada on because we want it to fry. So it's important you use like an oil and not like a spray oil because the oil is what makes it fry. Okay, so now this is the hard part, guys. You gotta make sure this doesn't fall apart. So carefully place it on the pan where it's still folded. Move it around to get the oil on it and just let that fry. Now we gotta make sure that this fries all the way before you flip it because it will unfold. Now we got our delicious vegan crunch wrap. Way better than Taco Bell. If you guys try this, take pictures of it and tag me in your pictures because I want to see. Also give me your feedback down below if you tried it. I want to see what you guys thought. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be making a lot more vegan food tutorials, so stay tuned. Bye!